Okay, this is the Clemens U-shaped single row hedger. Some of the nice features about it are 4 sickle-sided blades on each side mounted to a cast aluminum frame. The aluminum frames right there have a breakaway mechanism which allows the frame to bend out of the way. One top knife here. The width, the throat of the hedger is adjustable. The taper of the hedger is adjustable. This particular hedger has an adjustable lifting pole which pivots to the left and right to compensate for side slope.